Understanding, an appeal to mercy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a particularly poignant phrase, an appeal to mercy. This phrase is not only rich in meaning but also deeply embedded in various aspects of communication, from literature to everyday conversations. Let's unravel its layers and understand how you can use it effectively in your own expressions. An appeal to mercy consists of three key components that we need to understand individually before we put them all together. Appeal. This word originally comes from legal jargon, where it means to make a serious, urgent, or heartfelt request. In a broader sense, it's used when asking for something earnestly or desperately from someone else. 2. A preposition that, in this context, indicates the direction of the appeal or request. Mercy. Compassion or forgiveness shown towards someone whom it is within one's power to punish or harm. When we combine these words, an appeal to mercy is a plea or request for compassion, leniency, or forgiveness in a situation where harshness or punishment is the alternative. An appeal to mercy is often used in contexts where someone is seeking leniency or forgiveness, possibly for a wrongdoing or when in a vulnerable position. This phrase can be found in various scenarios. Legal and judicial settings. A defendant might make an appeal to mercy from the judge, asking for a lighter sentence. Personal relationships. One might use this phrase when seeking forgiveness for a mistake from a friend or family member. Literature and rhetoric. Writers and speakers use it to evoke empathy from their audience, urging them to consider compassion over judgment or retaliation. Understanding the usage of this phrase helps in grasping its emotional weight and its power to sway decisions and opinions by appealing to the human capacity for compassion. To grasp how an appeal to mercy can be seamlessly integrated into communication, let's look at some examples. In a legal plea, the defense's closing argument was an appeal to mercy, highlighting the defendant's difficult upbringing. In personal apology, I know I was wrong, and this is my appeal to mercy. Please forgive me. In literature, the protagonist's final speech was an appeal to mercy, asking the antagonist to see the humanity in those they were about to harm. These examples show the versatility and emotional depth of the phrase, emphasizing its potential to convey sincere requests for compassion or forgiveness. We hope this exploration of an appeal to mercy enriches your understanding and appreciation of the English language. This phrase is a powerful tool for expressing the deep human yearnings for compassion and understanding, reminding us of the value of empathy in our interactions. Whether in writing or speech, understanding how to use such phrases can enhance your communication skills and emotional expressiveness. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more insights in our next video. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about what we can make others feel with those words.